So what up YouTube, this is Beijing Thomas. This is a video response to KT Cards for his 400 subs contest. He's having an awesome contest right now, and he's giving away MLB tickets to any city in the US. So that is awesome, that is just epic. But I'm entering his second and third contest. His second contest is show your best card in your PC. Well, in my PC, the best card that I would have to say is this Michael Jordan dual patch. Two color patch auto. I'll give it a better look. From SP Game Use 0708. I pulled this like last year. It's numbered 14 out of 15. And I don't know the book value on this, but it's not priced in the Beckett or anything because it's only short printed to 15 only. So, but that is probably my best card, like value-wise, in my collection. I have another card, but I think this is the highest value. So that is my second contest. Third contest is he asks, what is your favorite moment at an MLB ballpark, MLB game? Well, I have to say it goes back to the first time I ever went to a baseball game. It was back in 1999, and I went to New York for the summer. I think it was the summer. Yeah, it was the summer. And my cousin decided to take me to a baseball game. At that time, I didn't know much baseball. Well, I did, but I don't watch it that much. But when he took me to that game, I just fell in love with it. So I started watching it every year. And it was the year 1999. It was July 25th. I had the ticket stub right here. This was from 1999, so almost 10 years ago. It was the New York Yankees versus Cleveland Indians. This ticket was actually $8, so we bought a bleacher seat, nosebleed seats. Not really nosebleeds, but it was the first time I ever went there, and I think I saw Manny Ramirez. He was with the Indians back then, so everyone was heckling him. I was like, what's going on, right? And back then, you got people like Paul O'Neill, Tino Martinez back then. I saw them play, and it was awesome. People like Bernie Williams and Derek Jeter was back there. And I think it was a tie game, and then I think one of the players stepped up, and I didn't know what was going on, right? Because I think one of the players hit a home run. Everyone was standing up. I didn't know what was going on, so I didn't have no glove with me. By that time, the ball probably bounced off right beside me, literally this apart. It was like a few inches, right? Like probably a feet or so. The ball bounced right beside me. It was an empty spot here. Bounced right here. I was this close in catching a baseball. I didn't know someone hit a home run, right? But I didn't know it was coming this way. So it hit beside me and rolled off down the bleachers. So I was like, damn, right? I almost caught a ball. Like my cousin was on my left, but the empty spot was on my right. So that was a pretty good time. I had fun there. Obviously, I remember that game. Yankees lost that game to the Indians. I think it was like the low scoring 3-1, or I forgot. But I remember Yankees losing that game. So that was my first time, and I watched my baseball game. And I have to say that's probably the best time I had at a baseball game. So that's my response to your contest. Thanks again for the awesome contest, and yeah, that's about it. Later.